Hello my friends, today I'm going to show you how to make a disk part. How you can wipe your disk, external disk or internal disk inside your computer and erase each and everything where you want to boot it or you want to install a new window. Just follow. Yeah, the first thing you have is to go into your command prompt in your computer, press Window R and hit OK. You will see a command prompt in your computer will be open. Yeah, then type diskpart. Please follow as I do. Hit enter. Choose yes. Then let your computer display. Then type list disk. Then here you see disk 0 is inside my computer. Disk 1 is external, is connected externally. It is external connected to my computer. Then I want to wipe my disk 1. Here I am going to type select disk 1. Here means I am going to select disk 1. Each and everything I am going to do for disk 1, it is because I selected it. Then press OK or enter. Here you will see a message that say disk 1 is now the selected disk. Then you will type clean if you want to erase or wipe each and everything on your disk. Clean. Then let your computer delete the external disk. You will see a message that say your disk is successfully cleaned. Yeah, see here, disk part succeeded in cleaning the disk. Now the disk I connected externally is now cleaned well. For proving this, type list disk. You will see from here from disk 1, you will see the free size is 7171 MB, but here after cleaning it is 931 gigabyte free, means nothing is present on this disk 1. Then here type exit, again exit. Yeah, now it is done, your disk is now cleaned. You can go through and install another new window.
Basti.